Hi guys, my name is Ambrose Jude Preminger. I am from Amity University and today I'll be giving a presentation on a topic blockchain. So the contents: introduction, why is blockchain important, types of blockchain, the applications of blockchain in business, blockchain for financial industry, blockchain in real-time accounting, challenges and hurdles of blockchain, advantages and disadvantages, and finally the conclusion. Introduction: Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. The decentralized database managed by multiple participants is known as a distributed ledger technology (DLT). Blockchain is a type of DLT in which transactions are recorded with an immutable cryptographic signature called a hash. So the next is, why is blockchain important? Suppose you're transferring money to your family or friends from your bank account. You would log into online banking and transfer the amount to the other person using their account number. When the transaction is done, your bank updates the transaction records. It seems simple enough, right? There is a potential issue which most of us neglect. These types of transactions can be tampered with very quickly. People who are familiar with this truth are often wary of using these types of transactions, hence the evolution of third party payment applications in recent years. But this vulnerability is essentially why blockchain technology was created. Record keeping of data and transactions are a crucial part of the business. Often, this information is handled in house or passed through a third party like brokers, bankers, or lawyers, increasing time, cost, or both on the business. Fortunately, blockchain avoids this long process and facilitates the faster movement of the transaction, thereby saving both time and money. So, now, types of blockchain. There are four different types of blockchains. They are as follows. First, private blockchain networks. Private blockchains operate on closed networks and tend to work well for private businesses and organizations. Public blockchain networks. A public blockchain network is a blockchain network where anyone can join whenever they want. Basically, there are no restrictions when it comes to participation. Permissioned blockchain networks. Permission blockchains can be seen as an additional blockchain security system as they maintain an access control layer to allow certain actions to be performed only by certain identifiable participants. Consortium blockchains. Federated blockchain or consortium blockchain is a blockchain technology where instead of only a single organization, multiple organizations govern the platform. Moving forward, applications of blockchain in business. Blockchain for business is valuable for entities transacting with one another. With distributed ledger technology, participants can access the same information at the same time to improve efficiency, build trust, and remove friction. Blockchain allow a solution to rapidly size and scale, and many solutions can be adapted to perform multiple tasks across industries. Blockchain for business delivers these benefits based on four attributes unique to this technology. Consensus. Shared ledgers are updated only after a transaction is validated by all relevant participants involved. Replication. Once a block, the record of an event, is approved, it is automatically created across the ledgers for all participants in the channel. Every network partner sees and shares a single trusted reality of the transactions. Immutability. More blocks can be added but not removed. So there is a permanent record of every transaction, which increases trust among the stakeholders. Security. Only authorized entities are allowed to create blocks and access them. Only trusted partners are given access permission. Blockchain for financial industry. Blockchain technology is one of the leading innovations in the finance industry, holding promise to reduce fraud, ensure quick and secure transactions and trades, and ultimately help manage risk with interconnected global financial systems. Blockchain accomplishes this through advanced cryptography that is designed to be resistant to hacking, adding trust to the transaction ecosystem. There are many financial uses provided by blockchain, not limited to keeping track of transactions and trades. As our global financial system becomes more connected in our age of digital transformation, investors would be well advised to learn about how blockchain is changing the system and how to gain and regulate exposure to this development. Blockchain and real time accounting. Accounting digitalization is in its beginning stages compared to other industries, and some industries are experiencing significant disruption due to advances in blockchain technology. The use of blockchain improves audit efficiency as auditors lower maintenance costs, provide a highly secure environment, and magnify the potentiality of the accounting profession by reconciling the ledger. Swan 2015. Blockchain provides traceable auditing, automatic accounting and reconciliation, asset ownership tracking, and transaction authentication. In particular, blockchain technology could benefit accounting by creating a system that logs permanent accounts by recording company transactions directly on a public ledger. Since all records are cryptographically sealed and distributed, it is almost impossible to change or destroy them to hide their activity. This is similar to a transaction confirmed by notary, as all records are distributed electronically and with cryptographical seals. Challenges and hurdles of blockchain. The major advantages of blockchain are first, data integrity and immutability. Participants can reduce fraud and ensure compliance. When an item gets destroyed in the ledger, then it can only be deleted after reconciliation. Second, security. All the affairs are digitally time stamped with a cryptographic hash with a distinctive 64-digit alphanumeric signature corresponding to each individual transaction. High availability and availability. Thanks to the decentralized network, blockchain technical data is complete and timely stamped as well as accurate. Fourth, reliability. Blockchain technology is not controlled by a single control center and there is no single point of failure. Fifth, decentralization. Blockchain is a decentralized technology, peer to peer transaction, that eliminates the need for third party applications and avoids all additional overhead and transaction fees. The major disadvantages of blockchain are first, cost issues. Blockchain technology has an upfront cost and is not free to use, which is the disadvantages of decentralization. Users pay for their transactional and computing power. Second, data malleability issue. Data malleability is a potential problem in blockchain implementations. Signature does not guarantee ownership. An attacker can modify and relay transactions, which can cause problems with transaction validation. Third, latency issues. The time factor is one of the major important issues in blockchain implementations because it is not suitable for high volume transactions due to composite verification process. Fourth, it requires a lot of energy. Consumption for mining on the Bitcoin network is approximately $15 million per day. Fifth, technology immaturity. Blockchain is a new technology that represents a complete transition to a decentralized network and can lead to organizational changes, including changes in strategy, structure, processes. Conclusion. From a theoretical point of view, based on published works review, the technology of blockchain has a very high value and good chances for solving data integrity issues, increasing transparency, enhancing security, preventing fraud, and building trust and confidentiality. The technology of blockchain has the possibility to evolve the online government, Internet of Things, finance, trading platforms, accounting, BPM, entertainment, insurance, healthcare, law firms, and other fields. As a result, blockchain technology has tremendous potential for innovative solutions rely on the domain or area of execution as it can attain social benefits and economic efficiency through technological innovation and application. However, implementing blockchain technology in organizations in various industries can be very expensive. Migrating or redeploying legacy systems require significant organizational investment. In the early stages of implementing blockchain, organizations need to deploy a unified stage to up hybrid application architectures that include blockchain and legacy systems. Thereby, we have to deepen our understanding with respect to the technology of blockchain, its opportunities, values, and risks. As an outcome, there are not many examples of the technology being applied to these systems. Therefore, blockchain technology cannot replace legacy systems or outdated applications anytime soon. The technology of blockchain can unquestionably be an add on to the legacy systems and can lead to the evolving of new systems. Thank you.